Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will talk about the best 3D printer for figurines. This 3D printer is primarily for users looking for a budget-friendly and reliable 3D printer that can produce unique figures. We all know that a quality printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's essential to choose the right one. To help you, we have gone through many 3D printer reviews and narrowed them down to the top 5 reliable and affordable printers. The output of these printers is excellent, and they can produce some of the most beautiful figurines. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Anycubic Resin 3D printer. If you're into creating figurines and looking for the ultimate 3D printer to bring your designs to life, this is a perfect choice, the Anycubic Resin 3D printer. It's a true game changer in figurine printing, and here's why. First off, let's talk about the extraordinary printing size. With its impressive build volume, this printer can handle large-scale models effortlessly. Whether aiming to print a majestic dragon or a real superhero, the Anycubic Resin 3D printer covers you. But it's not just about size, it's also about detail. Equipped with a state-of-the-art 7K HD mono screen, this printer ensures that every intricate feature of your figurine is beautifully captured. The precision is outstanding, thanks to the advanced ball screw Z-axis rail and a high contrast ratio that brings your models to life. Speed is another critical factor. With 84 neatly arranged LED lights, the Anycubic Resin 3D printer achieves lightning-fast printing speeds. Each layer takes only 3 seconds, allowing you to complete your figurines in record time. Imagine the joy of seeing your creations come to life within hours, not days. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. Number 2 is Elegus Saturn 8K MSLA 3D printer. Introducing the incredible Elegus Saturn 8K MSLA 3D printer, the perfect choice for bringing your figurines to life. This powerhouse machine is loaded with features that will leave you in awe. Let's start with the showstopper, the 10-inch 8K mono LCD screen. Its excellent resolution of 7680 by 4320 delivers ultra-fine detail and razor-sharp models. Say goodbye to long exposure times because this baby only needs 1 to 3 seconds per layer. But wait, there's more! The large build volume of 219 by 123 by 210 millimeters means you can print more giant figurines or multiple parts in one go, boosting your printing efficiency and saving you precious time. The Matrix UV light source is a game changer. Its 28 LEDs and unique lens design reduce light scattering, improving printing accuracy. With a smaller angle of projection, you'll enjoy tighter tolerances and prototype print dimensions that are spot on. Now, let's talk about structure. The Z-axis is powered by non-slip hexagon socket leveling screws and linear rails, ensuring stability and precise motion. The sandblasted build plate provides stronger adhesion, while the PFA release liner, FEP 2.0, makes model removal a breeze. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 3 is LotMax Shark V3 3D printer. Introducing the incredible LotMax Shark V3 3D printer, the ultimate companion for all your figurine printing adventures. This beast of a machine combines cutting-edge features with a user-friendly design, making it the top choice for 3D printing enthusiasts and hobbyists. With its intelligent G-sensor auto-leveling, the Shark V3 ensures precise leveling and higher detection sensitivity. This means your figurines will come out flawlessly crafted without room for errors. The modular design takes it up a notch by integrating 3D printing and laser engraving capabilities. Unleash your creativity by carving intricate designs on bamboo, ceramic tile, wood, leather, and craft papers. What sets the Shark V3 apart is its ultra-fast cooling system and night mode functionality. Say goodbye to overheating issues, as the modular nozzles keep things cool during printing. Plus, the built-in LEDs on the print head illuminate dark rooms, creating an enchanting atmosphere as your figurines take shape. Thanks to its fast assembly feature, assembly is a breeze, taking just minutes to set up. Once ready, you'll enjoy a generous printing size of 9.25 by 9.25 by 10.43 inches, 235 by 235 by 265 millimeters, to bring your larger-than-life ideas to reality. If you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is Frozen Sonic Mini LCD Resin 3D Printer. Introducing the Frozen Sonic Mini 8K, the ultimate 3D printer for all figurine enthusiasts. With its mind-boggling 22mm, 1152 ppi, ultra-high resolution, this little powerhouse leaves its competitors in the dust. Say goodbye to blurry details and hello to printing perfection. One of the secrets behind the Sonic Mini 8K's exceptional print quality is its linear projection LED module. This cutting-edge technology ensures that every nook and cranny of your miniatures are illuminated precisely, highlighting the hidden details that often get lost on low-resolution printers. But it doesn't stop there. The ultra-stable dual linear rails tackle the notorious Z-axis nodding issue, ensuring that your prints come out flawlessly stable. No more wobbly figurines. To make your printing experience even more delightful, the Sonic Mini 8K features a frosted laser-cut building plate. Models stick firmly to the plate, ensuring every intricate detail is captured effortlessly. And let's not forget about the 7.1-inch mono LCD screen, which offers a larger printing space with an impressive 18 cm Z-axis. You can print wider or unleash your creativity by printing multiple miniatures simultaneously. If you are interested in a fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it. Number 5 is Anycubic Photon D2 Resin 3D Printer. Hey there! Looking for the best 3D printer to bring your figurines to life? Well, let me introduce you to the marvelous Anycubic Photon D2 Resin 3D Printer, making its way to the top of the list at number 5. The D2 uses a remarkable technology called digital light processing, DLP, employing thousands of mirrors to focus light directly onto the resin. Not only is the D2 a master of precision, but it's also a frugal friend. Its DLP projector boasts a staggering lifespan of 20,000 hours, 10 times more durable than an LCD screen. Plus, it sips power at a mere 15 W, saving you a ton of money in the long run. And here's the cherry on top, DLP 3D printers like the D2 generate very little heat, eliminating the need for fans. This means you can enjoy a quiet printing experience with a sound as low as 35 dB. So if you want to buy the fast 3D printer for polycarbonate, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for figurines. If you like any of these best 3D printers, check out the link in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.